folks, it's a disaster. Look, I broke a plate. It's completely broken, look. Whoa. Owen, what? Owen, that was your fault. We'll say it was Owen. Right, folks, I broke a plate. Oh, it's Owen. Owen dropped a plug in it, so it's Owen's for Owen. What, Owen, I told you to be careful when you came in here with that. I told you. Honestly, she's going to go mental, so we're in trouble, man. We're in trouble. Right, folks, well, here we are. We've got Subway. We've got a nice ham, cheese toasty kind of thing with some salad on it. I'm just going to quickly eat that. I've got a drink as well, but I forgot to put the lid and the straw in it, so it's all over the place. Well, as you saw, Owen broke a plate, a good plate as well, so honestly, Owen, I told you to be careful with that plug, but never mind. These things happen. So, work, yeah, here we go. We're going in. Fine. Well, that was it. Subway there. Absolutely excellent. Really, really good. So for £3.30, I got a 6-inch. What I had was a ham with cheese in the toast dip, and then you get your salad on. So I've got lettuce, red tomatoes, red onions, tomatoes, and a bit of sweet corn and some honey mustard sauce on it. Absolutely delicious, man. And a drink of Pepsi, which I don't normally take, but I'm quite thirsty today. So for £3.30, that sure beats McDonald's. It certainly beats Baines, because if you go and then get a ham salad roll and something, you're about £3 or £4. So for £3.30, that was nice and filling, and you get a drink as well. So well done, Subway. Awesome. And the girls there, always very nice. Always have a chat with them. Very good indeed. Excellent service, girls. Thank you. Alrighty, folks, there we are. That's me finished work. So just going to go home now, and hopefully the kitchen is in some sort of semblance of finished. Hopefully Owen's done that unit bit and sorted it out for us. So let's go home and see. Can't wait to see the kitchen, man. Hope Owen's still there. Hope he's still there. So yeah, look at my face. It's so red, man. Gosh, it's been in the sun. Look at it. Goodness. Oops, Daisy. Well, the car park from hell, man, is really living up to its name today. There's just cars flying around all over the place, man. I had to park away over here in the subdivision of the car park, just over sort of in that area there. But it's total chaos here today. It's just people parked everywhere, and cars just trying to get out. There's vans and offloading. It really is pretty bad today, man. I must admit. Back to Pinot Cam. That's why I'm parked there, folks. There it is. Right, folks, I've lost my slippers. I don't know where they are. So it's like croc slippers. They're called mammoths. Bro got them to me for Christmas. Or was it a birthday? I think it's Christmas. I think the only time Bro actually ever bought me something. Remember one Christmas he bought me some plastic soldiers, a tub of plastic soldiers from the pound shop. That was it. I mean, honestly. Now it's getting something good, like a tripod or a microphone cover, something you can use. Plastic soldiers. Okay, you know, I used to play with soldiers, but I've kind of grown up since then, bro. Anyway, so we're still looking for slippers. Folks, we found the slippers. There they are. They're hiding behind the Hoover. There they are. Look. There somewhere there. I'm losing my brain. Right, folks, we're just cleaning up the kitchen now. There's lots of that stew. There's that word again, stew. Just getting the Hoover into all the little crevices and just getting things back to semi-normal. Oh yes, the Beatles. Oh, I'm locked out. Oh, disaster. Hang on. Okay, fine. Oh, wait, yeah, you sleep. No, he'll find me, man. Same as good. Right. Yep. No, everything's good, man. That's good. That's fine. It's not like it, man. It's good. Yes, indeed. Oh, okay. Yep. That's fine. Okay. Yes, absolutely. That'll be fine. Yep. Fine, indeed, yes. Yeah, that'll be fine. That's all, I think. Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. No, it's fine. It's good. That is the best one, yes. Nice. What was his name again? Ish. Yes, yes, and Ish, right, Ish. That was awesome. Well done, mate. How do you cook fillet steak? Do you know how you cook that properly? Right, okay. That's what I'm having for tea tonight. So I'll just cook it medium rare. I'll put it on for about 7 minutes. I think should be about enough. Oh, you know. Oh dear, I know. I love it, man. Yeah. Anyway, thank you. Right, Ish. Cheers, mate. Bye bye. Oh. Right, there we are. Look, it's got loads of these documents and things to I tell you, I'm hopeless for finding things and keeping things in the right place. But that was a good call, that Ish. Thank you very much from Direct Line. Very good indeed. Right, folks, Rosie's going on a massive cleaning bender, man. So I'm having to join in basically, and I have to hoover and do a bit of, you know, around the back of the tumble dry and everything, and got a massive bag of stuff to throw out now. Rosie just won't rest until it's all done, man. So I've just got to keep on working with her at the minute, man. It's a bit of a nightmare for me. I want to just chill and relax. Yeah, so no chill or relax until it's all done, mate. I'm gonna cook tea as well. We've got a fillet steak for tea. We're having that with salad and sort of, I don't know what, chips I think it is it? Anyway, starving. I've got that taste of stew in my mouth from cleaning so much. I need to have a drink of wine to get rid of the taste of stew. Right, folks, here we are then in the kitchen, which is almost finished now. We're going to kind of put the stuff back now, so we're getting back to normal. All we need to do now is put the handles on the door. There are a couple of little bits and pieces that need to be done. We need to get a pole for here, and that needs to be done. We need to clean this bit up a bit, and we need to sort of put that stuff on. What's it called? That silicone. That needs to be done. But basically, it's all right, folks. Look, there it is. We have the black, the red, and the white. We're going to have silver handles. And to celebrate our new kitchen, the first meal I'm cooking in it is fillet steaks. Get in there. So cheers, everybody. Thanks for all the comments, by the way. I was reading them all there. Thank you, everybody, for saying that you like my music. Thank you. Do appreciate that. It's really nice here. And you said the kitchen's looking nice. Everybody, thank you very much. Cheers to you all. Chink. Thank you very much. Oh, I love that Pinot Grigio. It's a lovely drop of wine, that is. There it is. Well, where it comes from, actually. Where's it from? Let's have a look. So we're having spring onions tonight, mushrooms. The fillet steaks, look at them. Yes. Pinot Grigio. What are we having tonight then? Chocolate pudding. Right, folks, tonight for pudding we're having a chocolate. I'm having a chocolate pudding with ice cream. It's like a chocolate thing with a melted chocolate in the middle. It's just going to go ding in a minute. Dr. Ding, the chef, is cooking my pudding. Dr. Ding is cooking my pudding. Dr. Ding is cooking my pudding. Dr. Ding is cooking my pudding. Yeah, okay. Oh, there it goes. Okay, thank you, Mr. Ding. Here we go. Pudding, Dr. Ding. Dr. Ding. Here we go, Dr. Ding. Let's see what you've come up with. Remove the... Oh. There we go. I'm going to slap some ice cream on it. Here we go. Dr. Ding. Ooh. For goodness sake. Just slap some ice cream on there. There we go. Oh, look at that. We'll have a little bit more. Yeah. Oh my goodness me, there's a nice bit come out there, but that'll do. There we go. Awesome. Doobie-doo. Yeah. Oh. Look at that, folks. Look at that.
But this inquiry has already been controversial, and there is some criticism of the way it's likely to run from Monday. And it's unlikely to be completely